The thing about ensuring quality in design, whether you're a design team of 1 or 2 or 40, is what do you believe is the potential and influence of design? You first need to be really clear on what do you think design can do. If you think design is a service agency and your designers need to work like you're in an agency, being given a PRD, being given a project brief, and then they will just produce the pixels and do beautiful work, then you're going to be positioning yourself in the non-design stakeholders conversation as someone who's receiving orders and doing design. So you do need, as a design leader, to clarify what is the role you want to play, what is your own career plan, and then define the vision or mission of the design team that you already have or the design team you want to build. Once you have that, in terms of ensuring quality, there are a few best practices I can share with you all. There are your design rituals, or what I call governance, right from your weekly team meetings to your design critiques. How does your design team have fun? How do you educate your non-design partners on the potential of your design team? You know, simple things like, it wasn't shocking to me when many times in my previous jobs, or even at a place like Netflix, my non-design partners did not know the difference between a visual designer, a UX designer, and a UI designer. And that is my responsibility as a design leader to make sure that the people I have hired, their full potential and their skill set is understood by my non-design stakeholders. So how are you as a design leader using brown bags or all hands to evangelize your design team's potential? I say this because then the ownership of maintaining quality doesn't fall squarely on your shoulder. It becomes a shared responsibility within the organization. The other thing is, what tools are you using to create design and to socialize design? Now it's even more important to answer this question because we are in a remote world or we're in a hybrid world. So how are your designers documenting the design? How are your designers presenting the design is a big part of where the quality of design can be up-leveled or the quality of design can be really confusing. I always say this, that when we hire new designers or new employees, we go through the whole onboarding process. There is nothing that tells us that you shouldn't onboard internal members of your team. So create a design roadshow and do a quarterly show and tell of your design team's success, of your design team's opportunities within your organization, let's say with your data science team, with your product managers, with your engineers. So do an onboarding program internally and build relationships with your cross-functional team members.